Diet to clear acne, 6 do's and 4 don'ts you must bear in mind. Acne and pimples are a problem that needs to be addressed at a deeper level. Most people are just too busy buying topical solutions to control their acne breakouts when they should ideally be taking steps to address the problem from the inside. A diet to clear acne is a great approach as it will help you overcome your acne problems for good. What makes up a general healthy acne diet? A bad diet can result in oily skin, which can be a great breeding ground for acne and pimples. Most of the people who suffered from acne are those who have an oily skin type. Oily skin is generally caused by a diet that is very high in saturated fats and trans fat. It can also result out of diets that are very rich in carbohydrates. In addition to being bad diet, acne foods, saturated fats, trans fat and carbohydrates can also lead to other general health problems such as high cholesterol, increased risk of heart disease, obesity and so on. The do's: water. Are you drinking enough water? A good way to tell would be to see the color of your urine. If it is not clear, you probably need to drink more water. Fruits and vegetables or color foods. Try to include a good portion of fruits and vegetables in your diet, preferably raw. Essential fats. While saturated fats and trans fat is bad for you, good fats such as oils from seeds and fish oil are very good for your body and skin. Increase fiber. Increased fiber in the form of whole grains, beans and other products can improve your digestion, which will reduce the toxin levels in your body. Avoid alcohol, tea and coffee. Try to avoid or restrict these beverages to normal levels. All the above tips will add up to what is also called as an alkaline diet acne solution, where you try to control your acne breakouts by altering the pH balance in your body to favorable levels. The don'ts: watch your sugar intake. Try to substitute sugar with honey and avoid sugary drinks, pastries or other food items that are drowned in sugar. Avoid refined carbohydrates. It is best that you avoid bad carbohydrates in the form of white bread, pasta etc. Watch the canned food. If you are living on a canned food diet, you could be consuming a huge amount of chemicals in the form of preservatives that will not help your skin problems. Deep fried foods. Instead of deep fried foods, go for steamed or grilled options that are much friendlier for the skin. As you can see from the points above, a good healthy acne diet is one that is also good for your general health as well, and you will be well advised to make some changes for the benefit of your skin and your general well-being.